Hello friends, welcome to this session of Quality of India. Myself Dr. Aryan Vishwakarma, and in this module we are going to learn about three critical elements or three critical terms which is very important for any improvement initiative, and the terms are improvement, continuous improvement and continual improvement. So there are lot many professionals who get confused with these terms. In fact, some of the professionals they found continuous improvement and continual improvements are synonymous, but there are minor differences. So we are going to explore and understand what exactly are the differences between these three terms with example. So first of all, let's explore what exactly is improvement. So when you talk about improvement, the definition of improvement could be, it refers to any positive change that enhances the current state of a process, product or system. Suppose there is a process, manufacturing process. Suppose you are doing forging operation or casting operation. You are doing any kind of operations or processes you are doing, or doing assembly. So you change the level from current state to the next level. Say for an example, right now you are manufacturing 100 parts per shift. Okay, so 100 part per shift you are manufacturing. Now from this level you change the state from 100 to 150 per shift by doing something. So we are not going to go how you are going to improve. Let's say you have done some Kaizen, you have done some project quality circle, but you have changed the state from current level of 100 parts per shift to 150 parts per shift. This would be called improvement because it has been done once. So once we have done improvement, so this is an example of productivity. In a similar way, you have done improvement in quality. Let's say for an example, the current quality level is 1000 ppm, parts per million, and you have done some Kaizen or you have done some project, let's say Six Sigma project, and you have reduced the rejection from 1000 ppm to, let's say, 500 ppm by doing something. Okay, so this would be called improvement. So once you have done something, one project you have taken and you have improved the level from current state to some state which is better. This would be called improvement. Okay, so it says it can be one-time change to resolve a specific issue or to achieve a particular goal. So this was your goal or project and you have made some change. Okay, this is once. So once improvement. An example has been given over here. We have already discussed couple of them. Reducing the machine downtime by replacing worn out components by doing something, whatever they have done, but they have reduced the downtime from X level to Y level, which is better. So this would be called improvement. Fine. Now let's move ahead. The second one is called continuous improvement. So what exactly is continuous improvement? So improvement means once. Now if the improvement has been done on a recurring basis, okay, so on a recurring basis you are doing improvement, that will be called continuous improvement. Fine. So continuous improvement is an ongoing effort to enhance process, system or product incrementally over time. So over a span of some time, for an example, month on month, January, February, March, April, May, you kept on improving the productivity. This is your productivity level. Okay, whatever it may be. Okay, and you are improving continuously. It could be in a straight line. So every month from 100 per shift you have gone to 150 per shift, then 200 per shift, then 300 per shift. So it is continuously improving month on month. This is a recurring improvement. That's why it is called continuous improvement. So it focuses on small frequent improvements rather than major overhaul. So major overhaul is not done in continuous improvement. The methodology could be Kaizen. Okay, we all know what exactly is Kaizen. Kaizen is any change for betterment, devised or developed by Masaki Imai-san. Okay, we already have a video on the Kaizen also. If you have not seen, you go to video library or video gallery, you will find a video on Kaizen as well. So example has been given over here. A manufacturing team reviews production performance daily and makes small adjustment to reduce defects or improve efficiency. For instance, improving the layout of tool at a workstation to save time. Now this has been done on a recurring basis, maybe using PDCA cycle. We all know PDCA cycle, which is plan, do, check and act. This cycle, which is also called Deming cycle. Okay. So Deming cycle or PDCA cycle has been used for continuously improving. So one cycle of Deming you have done, PDCA cycle, for improving from current level to let's say 50 per shift to 100 per shift, then 100 per shift to 150. So in this way, you kept on improving the level of productivity. This will be called continuous improvement. Okay. Now the third one we are going to discuss is called continual improvement. So there is a minor change, very important change, but minor change in continuous and continual improvement. In the continuous improvement, we normally expect the improvement to be in a straight line, which generally never happens. Okay. There are very rare chances wherein you will be getting continuous straight line improvement. There could be some downfall, some ups and downs could be there. But when we talk about continual improvement, the important thing, we've already discussed about continuous improvement. We have used PDCA cycle for improvement. Now, what about sustenance? Is it going to sustain or is it going to fall back? For an example, from 50 per shift, you have gone to 150 or 100 per shift. Whether there is a chance of going down, then it is going up or going down to drastic level. Why it can happen? Because you have not put any system in place. You have not standardized the thing. That's why when we talk about continual improvement talks about sustenance. So, after every cycle of PDCA, for making improvement, we put a cycle of PDSA, which is for sustenance. So, we sustain, then again we take a cycle of PDCA to go to the next level. That's why we talk about continual improvement, which talks about recurring basis sustained improvement. That's what the difference between continuous and continual improvement. Continuous improvement talks about recurring improvement. So here also we have recurring improvement in continual, but one addition is there, that is sustained. So sustained continual improvement is continual improvement, which is very important, because whatever you have achieved, if you are not going to sustain, you are going to fall back. You are going to come back to square one. So what is the fun? There is no point. All your efforts are going to be in vain because you have not sustained. That's why putting system in place, processes in place, imparting training program, putting monitoring mechanism in place is very important. So sustenance is very important. That's what the emphasis on continual improvement. Now to summarize the difference between improvement, continual improvement and continuous improvement, we can see here, when we talk about nature of improvement, improvement is a one-time change, whereas continuous is ongoing, small, incremental, recurring basis change. And when we talk about continual improvement, it is sustained improvement, okay, including incremental. There could be breakthrough also, but there are sustained kind of improvement. Talking about scope, improvement is normally in a specific area or on a specific issue. Continuous improvement could be a bit narrow or frequent adjustment. When we talk about continual improvement, this is very broader with adaptability to strategic needs. So it is strategically aligned and it is going to help your organization to achieve the goals and vision. When we talk about goal of these things, talking about improvement, primarily it is to solve immediate problems. When we talk about continuous improvement, this is incremental enhancement over time. And when we talk about continual improvement, this was continuous improvement. Talking about continual improvement, sustained progress with flexibility. So the emphasis over here is sustained. So we are going to sustain the improvement and we are going to have flexibility. So that's the important thing. So we need to have improvement and we need to have sustained improvement also. That is very important. So I hope friends, with this video module, you must have learned the key difference between improvement, continuous improvement and continual improvement. If you have liked the video, don't forget to share the link of the video with your friends and colleagues. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. And don't forget to take our services. Quality Hub India is known for training program, for providing certification and for business consulting. So for any want of training program, whether it is technical or behavioral or any types of ISO certification for your organization, whether it is 9001, 14001 or 45001, Quality Hub India is now a certification body accredited by NABCV and IAF. So you can approach us for ISO certification also. And we also provide business consulting services. For example, deployment of Six Sigma or deployment of lean practices. So bye for now. Take care. Jai Hind.